The Justice Department announced it is suing Live Nation. This is the world's largest concert platform, and it is the parent company of Ticketmaster. But now the feds say it is time to break the two apart.
The lawsuit accuses the entertainment giant of having an illegal monopoly over the ticket market, which the DOJ says is boxing out its competitors and even driving up prices for customers. Now, to keep in mind, Live Nation has been under pretty intense scrutiny since 2022. That's when Ticketmaster crashed during a pre-sale for Taylor Swift's Eras tour, and it all caused an uproar among fans, and it sparked a lot of backlash, if you remember, from lawmakers. NBC News Justice reporter Ryan Reilly joins us now with more. Ryan, we remember when the servers just crashed. Live Nation owns hundreds of venues, not just in this country, but around the world. I mean, Ticketmaster has exclusive contracts with a lot of these stadiums, these arenas. So sort of lay out the other accusations in the lawsuit, and ultimately, could this change how people buy their tickets?
The Justice Department says it will, and what's interesting is actually the backstory here is that Attorney General Merrick Garland is a huge Swiftie by himself. He's a big fan of Taylor Swift, and so to borrow a phrase, essentially what the Justice Department is saying here is that Ticketmaster is the king of thieves, casually cruel in the aim of profit. Take a listen to what the Attorney General had to say here.
Live Nation relies on unlawful, anti-competitive conduct to exercise its monopolistic control over the live events industry in the United States. The result is that fans pay more in fees, artists have fewer opportunities to play concerts, smaller promoters get squeezed out, and venues have fewer real choices.
Now, what Live Nation says, of course, is that, that DOJ wouldn't last an hour in the asylum that raised them, and that this really isn't about, that Live Nation is, that Ticketmaster is essentially better off under Live Nation's tutelage, that this is better for artists. Overall, this is better for the public, but they're pushing back pretty strongly on this Justice Department lawsuit. But obviously, this is going to be something that's going to play out in the courts over a very long time. These antitrust lawsuits can really last a very long time, and obviously a lot of lawyers will be involved in this long process as it plays out.
You know, from a consumer standpoint, it makes sense. You just look at the ticket sales for Taylor Swift in Europe. The prices were just so much lower because of their regulation on the secondary ticket market and the way they distribute tickets. In the past, we have heard, Ryan, from Live Nation's executives who've pushed back against this breaking up the company, this idea that, they're too big. What exactly is their argument now?
That the Justice Department doesn't have as good of it, as strong as an argument as them, that this is good for consumers. But you do look at Europe, and I mean, that's a trend that we continue to see. A lot of people, including myself, are headed overseas to see Taylor Swift over the summer because tickets are cheaper there. That's just the regulations as they are set up. Because, and even on the resale market, there's a little bit different. So essentially, the Justice Department is arguing here that more competition is going to end up being better for consumers. But Live Nation is really pushing back very strongly on that, as we saw here.
All right, NBC News Justice reporter Ryan Reilly, thank you so much, Ryan.
Thanks for watching. Stay updated about breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app or follow us on social media.